Hey guys, what's up? So today is a really exciting day because I'm going to be getting my hair done. I'm doing something very different to it. Not like, I'm not going like rainbow, whatever, but I am doing something different to it. Also something that I've never done before. And I'm really nervous, I'm really excited. And I wanted to take you guys along with me for the journey of getting my hair done, I guess. And then I think afterwards I'm going to get my friends' reactions. I'm supposed to meet up with a few friends later and just get their reactions to it because it is gonna be a bit of a change and a bit of, you know, something. But I've been wanting to do this for a while now, and you know, I was just like, fine. And I'm getting this done right now. It's Tuesday, and it's just funny because I have to wait till Friday to put this video up. So me hiding this from you guys for what, 3 days is literally gonna kill me inside. I don't know, it's like every time I do something exciting, I want to share it with you guys. Like, I want to show you if I get something new, if I do this, if I do that. I want to share it with you guys, tweet it or Instagram or whatever, because I love having you guys involved in my life. So this is gonna be a very interesting thing to try and hide for 3-4 days. But yeah, so I'm gonna head over to the salon now and I will see you there.
You made it!
Hi!
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. Welcome.
Oh my gosh! It's so pretty! So if you guys didn't know, when I got my hair last time, they were in a different location. Yeah. And it's like, now we're in the hills. It's so crazy. Look at the view! Oh my god, it's beautiful. I'm obsessed. It's gorgeous. Look at this place. Wow. So guys, I am here about to get my hair done. I guess when the process starts and we actually get everything going, I will start filming a lot of it. But for now, yeah, I'm just gonna chill and see what happens. Alright guys, so this is my current hair right now. I just want to show you guys real fast. I know you guys see it all the time in video, but I mean, it was in the ponytail, so it's all like crazy right now. But it's just like a very honey caramel kind of blonde right now, and I'm switching it up to something different, and y'all are gonna find out what. But yeah, this is like my hair right now. It's a mess, but I just want to show you guys. So yeah. So it begins. Made me a really good latte. Very good. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna be sitting here waiting for the transformation, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So excited. Alright guys, are you ready to see my hair? Oh my god, it's insane. It's insane. It's not, I'm gonna say this, it's not black. It looks black on camera right now. It's really dark brown. But yeah, dark haired Fran is back. But yeah, I decided to go dark again. I was just over the blonde. It was just getting orange and brassy, and yeah. But yeah, I was actually supposed to get extensions done today, but I think we rescheduled it for to be done in 2 weeks. So it's like really super fresh before I leave to Miami, so I didn't get the extensions, which was the thing I said that I was, because earlier I was like, oh, I'm gonna be doing something I've never done. I've never done extensions before. You guys know how much I love the color black and dark hair, but let me see if I can. Yeah, here you can kind of see it, but yeah, it looks so dark. I'm literally obsessed with it. I feel like most people in the summertime are like, yeah, I want to go really, really light, really blonde. I completely went the opposite direction and decided to go almost black, like literally. But I'm obsessed with it. It's the change I wanted, the change I needed, a fresh faced Fran. So yeah, I'm going to be getting my friends' reactions later because we're all meeting up, and I might FaceTime a few friends and see what they think of it. So let's find out what they think. Alright guys, so I just pulled up to my house, and Nessa's car isn't in the driveway, so she's not home. That's great because I wanted her reaction right away, but I guess not. I think she's grocery shopping. Oh my god. Oh my god, she just pulled up. She just pulled up. They're gonna freak out when they see this. They're gonna freak out. Are you guys ready?
Okay, I'm gonna trip and fall
Y'all are gonna freak out. Yeah. Wait, hold on.
Oh, she looks good. Oh,
You can't post that. You can't post that.
it's for future reference. Oh my God, Franny. Oh my God, she looks good.
Dude, you look pretty. You look like.
This
This is what you look like. You look like a mysterious hot.
well, because it's such a drastic.
You literally look so good. Look at her from the back. Like,
Turn around.
Franny. Turn around.
Oh my God. Have you shown that?
No, she's gonna freak out. All right, guys. So I just got back home. I was showing my roommates my reaction. I got my roommates' reactions. I'm glad that they like it. I love it. It looks black. It looks black on camera, but it really is like really dark brown. It's not black. And I know it's gonna lighten up in probably a week or two too with my showers and stuff. The dye, it's not gonna be as dark, but I'm obsessed with it. I love it. It was the change that I needed, I feel like. Also, I just want to give a big shout out to Dp Hue House. They are freaking awesome. I'm gonna leave all their info down below. I also wanted to show you guys these two products that they gave me that I'm really freaking excited to use and obsessed with. So the first item that they used on me at the salon and that they let me bring home with me is the Color Boosting Gloss Deep Conditioning Treatment. So basically it is like a brunette gloss that I use in between my shampoo and conditioner, I believe, right? Yeah. So it's in between shampoo or conditioner, or you can just use it as a conditioner, and you just kind of just like put it all throughout your hair, and it kind of just deposits color back in when, you know, when the brunette starts to fade a little bit, because I do have some blonde underneath. It's kind of like how purple shampoo helps like kind of cancel out the brassiness of a blonde, you know, of having blonde hair, but this just kind of helps with keeping your dark hair like really dark and rich colored, I guess. So I have that. And then the second item is the Dp Hue apple cider vinegar hair rinse, which is something I think I might have talked about it before, but basically this awesome hair rinse, you know, I can use instead of shampooing and conditioning my hair, and you know, it doesn't rip the color out of my hair, and it's really good for it, so I don't have to always shampoo, but it cleans my hair really nice. So I'm gonna leave these products also linked down below so y'all can go check them out if you are a brunette. I definitely recommend checking that out. But yeah, shout out to Dp Hue House for being awesome. Okay, so what's the next thing? Oh, I want to FaceTime my parents and see their reaction, and I want to get it on camera. I FaceTimed my manager already, and she loves it. So yeah, I'm gonna FaceTime my mom. Freak out. Do you like my hair?
Oh, wow, my God. Mira. Let's see. Wow, who is that?
Well,
That is
that is
Franny. I
me.
can't hear nothing.
What do you mean? Hold on.
Mommy had the headphones and I couldn't hear anything. Hi.
Oh my god.
Nice. What are you doing?
I'm filming you guys.
Ay, no, qué pereza.
I'm filming you guys. I'm filming for my video like reactions of people in my new hair.
Yeah.
No, pero sabiendo que estoy como el chucho, no.
Well, I think you look wonderful.
Thanks, Dad.
You look nice, baby.
Oh, it's so
Very
funny.
nice.
Well, thank
You
you.
look so pretty for you, Tim.
So you like it?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. I will see you guys. I'll call you guys in a bit.
All right, baby.
All right. Love you. Bye.
Love you.
Bye. Bye. Okay, I knew that was gonna happen. My mom, it's not like my mom hates being on camera, but yeah, like if she's like that, she obviously doesn't want to be seen, and she was just in her pajamas with her hair like all like, I don't even think you could see it, but she was just not prepared to be on camera. Also, I got hit on 3 times. I got hit on 3 times when I left the salon to go get food, and that has never happened to me. I've never gotten hit on 3 times. It was like twice in the restaurant, and when I was walking out, some guy was like, oh, he was like, oh my god, you're my friend's type, and his friend was right next to him. I was like, oh, I'm sorry, I have a boyfriend. I really don't have a boyfriend. That's what I say when I don't want to talk to people and I panic, because I just don't, I'm just not for it. I just panic really hard and I sweat like I am right now talking about it. But yeah, so I'm gonna be getting other friends' reactions later tonight. We're having like a game night later. So I'm gonna be filming it and seeing what they think. Cause like I said, it's a big change, but it's a really cool change. Also, Dp Hue House gave me this really cool sweatshirt. It's I'm a cool brunette. Boom. They have sweatshirts that say I'm a cool blonde too, which is I think it's really cute. But yeah, this is what it looks like, the little baggie they gave me. I'm really excited. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna get my other friends' reactions and I will be back. All right guys, so we're here at our friend's house and I'm about to walk in and surprise everyone with my hair, with my jet black hair, basically, because it doesn't look any other color on camera. I'm just gonna keep the camera on them so you get the full thing. Oh my god, who are you? You're so cute. Hi, bubs. Okay, and now, introducing the brand new Franny.
You're like 5 years older, right?
David, what do you think? Your opinion means most to me. What do you think? Yeah. Do you hate it?
Looks dark. No, looks good.
Welcome to the Black Hair Club, Fran.
Literally, we're matching now.
Oh my god, I think we look more like sisters. We look way more. People used to think we were sisters before, and now we look even more like sisters.
Yeah.
You look like Judy Cortez.
What? She didn't have black hair.
You did.
No, she didn't.
Well, you
From
look good.
Spy Kids?
Alexa Vega.
Oh my god, yes!
She did have
black hair! Yes! She did have black hair! Yeah. You look like the mom when she puts the black hair wig on before she's gonna get the bands! That's what you look like!
I don't know. But she's like,
What is she talking about?
Okay guys, so Jasmine just got here and she's about to see my hair for the first time, so. Oh god! We're matching now! Yay! Wow, I'm a little pale. Alright guys, so I just got home and we were at our friend Chachi's house. We were having a little game night, like a little get together. It's like midnight, I think. I don't know what time it is. I'm so tired though. It's been a long day. I woke up, had performance coaching, and then I ran a few errands, and then I went to go get my hair done in Beverly Hills, which is kind of far from me, during prime rush hour, so it took me an hour to get there. So I was like, great, that's great timing for that. It was just like a little vlog of me getting my hair done, the little transformation. I don't know, I kind of made it a big deal because it is a big deal to me. I don't know if it's a big deal to you. But anyways guys, I love you. I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little vlog and my friends reacting to it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what you think of my hair. Be honest, if you hate it, it's totally fine. I don't care, because I love it. But if you hate it, it's fine. Please put those push notifications on so when I upload, you'll know exactly when I do. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!